Why are hands numb? 9 causes of numbness and tingling in different parts of the body. Educational about science and medicine, prepared by editors of a page all scientific. Many people experience numbness in their arms, legs, or other parts of the body. Often this is associated with a long stay in one position, but this syndrome can also be associated with certain disorders: cerebral stroke, intervertebral hernia, carpal tunnel syndrome, multiple sclerosis, stretching or compression of a nerve, deterioration of blood circulation to the nerve, an adverse reaction to a particular drug, panic attack, environmental toxicity. This is Raynaud syndrome. Symptoms of a cerebral stroke. The main signs of a cerebral stroke are numbness and tingling in a certain part of the body, weakness in the arms or legs, dizziness, confusion, blurred vision, speech disorder. What can be done with a stroke? Call an ambulance immediately. Precise treatment can prevent complication and damage to nerve cells in the brain. Complications of stroke can be prevented in these following ways: by lowering blood pressure, taking aspirin or other medicines that prevent blood clots, surgically. Signs of an intervertebral hernia. In the case of a herniated disc, numbness and tingling are noted in the arm or leg, which is associated with weakness in the area. What can be done with an intervertebral hernia? Consult your doctor. The feeling of pain may decrease in the supine position. Many intervertebral disc injury can be resolved with bed rest. In some cases, surgery is recommended. Symptoms of a carpal tunnel syndrome. With carpal tunnel syndrome, there may be numbness in the fingers, hand, or knuckle. There is also tingling. Pain from the knuckle joint may radiate to the fingers. What can be done for carpal tunnel syndrome? Consult your doctor. For symptoms of mild intensity, it can help if you put a cast on the problem joint. The disorder can also be cured by surgery, which give good results. How to prevent carpal tunnel syndrome? This syndrome may be a consequence of repeated loading of a joint. Repeated pauses between loads and gentle hand rotation help prevent this disorder. Symptoms of multiple sclerosis. The main signs of a multiple sclerosis are tingling in any part of the body, visual disturbance, sometimes loss of coordination of movement, hand trembling, difficulty walking, loss of bladder control. What can be done about multiple sclerosis? Consult your doctor. In the initial stages of the disease, symptoms may be intermittent. For this reason, the disease is difficult to diagnose. What are characteristics of multiple sclerosis? Multiple sclerosis destroys the myelin threads that cover nerve fibers. Due to the fact that any part of the body can be affected, the symptoms of a disease can vary. Signs of a stretching or compressing of a nerve. The arms, as well as the buttocks, become numb after sitting or resting in a certain position for a long time. What can be done if a nerve is stretched or compressed? Move your limbs a little or rise to your feet. The feeling of discomfort should disappear after a few moments. It is normal to feel toothache and needles after numbness. This temporary tooth and needles condition is completely normal and does not indicate a specific disease. Can you experience numbness or tingling as a result of an allergy to a medicine? Numbness or tingling can occur anywhere in the body while taking a particular drug. What can be done about drug side effects? Talk to your doctor about any medication are you taking. The doctor may prescribe alternative drugs for adverse reaction. What chemicals including medication can cause numbness or tingling? Numbness or tingling may occur as a side effect of taking these drugs or substance. Vitamin B6, Taxol, an anti-cancer drug, nitrous oxide, niacin, nicotinic acid, vitamin B3, anesthetics, fluorine. Panic attack symptoms. The main signs of a panic attack are rapid heartbeat, fear, trembling, numbness or tingling of the hand or face, especially around the lips. What can be done about a panic attack? Practice relaxation techniques. Consult a physiotherapist in case of persistent attacks. Why does a panic attack occur and how to eliminate it? The physical signs of a panic attack can be triggered by rapid breathing. Typically, these seizures stop in 15 minutes or less. Signs of the influence of environmental toxicity. The main signs of the impact of environmental toxicity on human health are dizziness, headache, nausea sometimes, numbness or tingling of the hand or feet. What can be done about environmental toxicity? Consult your doctor. Some tests may be needed to rule out the possibility of nerve damage. What category of people are most affected by environmental toxicity? The most affected category of people are farmers, people living near industrial platforms, people working with pesticides and fertilizers, workers in the chemical industry. Raynaud's syndrome symptoms. The numbness of fingers, hand or feet in Raynaud's syndrome is also accompanied by a bluish discoloration of the hand, which is aggravated by cold. What can be done about Raynaud's syndrome? The tingling sensation can be relieved by heating or rubbing. Usually, the tingling goes away on its own without significant consequence. What category of people suffer most often from Raynaud's syndrome? Raynaud's syndrome can occur in people who work hard with their hands in the cold, but this disorder can appear without a specific reason. Thank you for your attention. This material was prepared on the basis of material from the page of Scientifical. Attention, this video is provided for informational purposes only. When observing various unusual symptoms, it is recommended to consult a doctor. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.